Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now the Prime Minister said the fake people want to see the end of him and his administration. Who are the fake people? I don't know. Because the opposition have always been the opposition. And the opposition has always said that they are the better party. So I don't know who are the fake people. I don't know if people within the party itself are trying to get rid of the Prime Minister. Now I'm going to go on, they will continue the reason. Look and listen.
That as leader of the country, as leader of the political party, many men wish death upon me. I am always ready. As your leader, I can absorb, like Muhammad Ali, all the punches. And sometimes I don't throw a punch, you know. Sometimes I just rope a dope. I just bounce with it. But don't worry. The knockout punches are going to come. Because we have worked too hard to build this country, to make the fake people come and take what we have built. We will work hard, we will show care, and we will get the people of Jamaica to support us and continue the good work of the Jamaica Labour Party. My Jamaica Labour Party family, the people of Jamaica, I love you. Thank you. God bless you and go home safe.
Now, this also coincided with something else that was said by the Prime Minister. When he was saying that a novice government should not be put in control of the country. Means the opposition party and its leader, the Prime Minister, is saying is a novice to run in the country. But the people are saying that while the Prime Minister is taking the stance that people want to see the end of him and his administration, him should be more trying to unite the people. At the end of the speech, he did say he's going to try to work hard to bring a prosperous Jamaica. But with the statements where him say before that, saying that them work too hard already, and the people are saying that this prosperity where the government are talking about is because members of parliament and elected officials have got this big wage increase and have been making so much money for years. What them call prosperity is different from where Jamaicans, regular Jamaicans, the average citizens. You know, you have some people where them they ever go supermarket. You know why? Them not go supermarket because most people believe that in Jamaican wholesales and certain places you get certain products cheaper. And whether this is true or not, this is how much regular Jamaicans have your budget. Now tell the truth. Do you believe the Prime Minister lives on a budget? Most would say no. Do you believe any elected officials are living on a budget? Or do you believe that their budget is anywhere similar to the average Jamaicans? Because many people will have a budget. So I consider that a better way. Many people will say, alright, they want to spend X amount on groceries for this month, this week, this fortnight, wherever them get paid or them buy them groceries. But do you believe that the elected officials and the people at the very top are spending like how the average Jamaican spends? No. The average Jamaican complains about the wages being paid to them and how much hours them have to work, and the fact that when they get paid before the other week start, the money done. And when it seems like the Prime Minister failed to acknowledge is that what if it's not just many men? And it is every man and woman on the island who feels the Prime Minister and his administration should be changed to a different government, a different Prime Minister, and a different administration. What if more people than what him think? We know it's not going to be everybody. But remember, when we are talking about an election, is which government is liked more, favored more. Because at this point in time, the next thing anybody are talking about is, I don't think it is even about policies anymore. Right now, I don't even about policy. Because the people believe that the government is now disillusioned with the people. The policies them and the things them with them feel like Look, the people might ask for road. The people might ask for road and security. You know, the western side of the island. I could just say that. And instead of giving the people them a road, and the other infrastructure they might ask for, they want to tell the people them say they might build the airport. They want to the amount of infrastructure, the amount of things that the people might talk about, and I ask for a town. Both business people and people who reside close and in and around town. Road and other infrastructure. You know the matter the people them say? They might borrow 120 million US from I must say IMF or one of them places. And a waterfront them plan to fix it. To tell the truth. But everywhere at town, we want some fix up. You tell me say waterfront. You have some people that say, after investment, after bringing money into the island, you know how much money, the wholesale them, the market, the people them who transport and the other businesses we go on at town, you know how much money that generate. Downtown Kingston is Jamaica's commercial hub. You that think them would try invest in the commercial hub. This is how I say they even about policies now. Because the things them what the government do seem to be the opposite from what the people ask for. So we hear the government say, what are the policies that the opposition is going to bring in and how them plan to accomplish these promises they make to the people. It reached the point now where it seems like the people them just want a different government. Them just fed up with the government. I'm feel like because the government now listen to the average Jamaican citizens. I don't know if they rely upon the polls or statistics or what, but the MPs them now listen to the people in them community. And them now relay that information to the Prime Minister. I'm gonna feel like him really I hear what go on. Or how the people them really look on things. I feel like him more look on the media. And maybe the people within him circle say, hey, don't know the Prime Minister have only bad things to deal with. What? The average person I say, in this day, you look at the people that want to hear something new. Yeah, because while the same sad song the two part of them play. Figuratively speaking, somebody that say a different rhythm and different DJ. Meaning different Prime Minister, different administration. But tell me what you think. Do you believe that the opposition is capable of leading the Jamaican country to the prosperous Jamaica where everybody said they want? And most Jamaican citizens definitely want. Majority of the people in overseas, part of the aspect where nobody not talk about is the fact that most Jamaicans, while they have made lives and made their lives overseas, they would love to know, say, you know, them can return to them Jamaican island, visit, vacation, you know. Even those who just plan for vacation want to know, say, them friends and them family that still reside in the Jamaican island and live alright and do alright. And we see other Caribbean countries where cost of living and the standard of living is at a higher level. And speaking of the economy, where the Jamaican government love to speak about, in that aspect, when we talk about conversion rate to the US dollars and certain other major first world countries, let's say, like what I'm talking about, I think a Guyana, 100,000 over there, I think about 70 grand on the Jamaican island. So, you know what I mean? For them 100,000 a 70 grand Jamaican dollar. So, not using that country for say your standard of living, but just overall you have seen other Caribbean countries that make it work. And the people live a higher standard of living. Crime and violence too. And just the government need to address the crime and violence. The people need to look for what they want to. The people need to stop make criminals take over them community. Stop make criminals buy on a beer and take over on the community. No. And they want to complain to law enforcement without helping out law enforcement. It don't make no sense. You don't go know the criminals are and watch them take over the community. Then no complain to law enforcement, but we don't help law enforcement and then we don't want the community to safer. We don't really understand. It's a strange maths. But crime and violence too are the next thing when we feel like I hold back the country. Along with the WAF. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. Until the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and for to prosper. And of course, for to stay tuned. And for like, share, comment, and subscribe.